let us say it is problem number 2, and here the data given as a particle makes 10 oscillations in 2 seconds, and also he has given the distance between a compression and next rarefaction, rarefaction is 10 centimeters. Then find number 1, he is asking what is wavelength of the wave. Then second one, he is asking what is the frequency, and third question he is asking what is the wave velocity. So these are the 3 things we need to calculate. So here, looking at this, number of oscillations. So you can solve this problem as number of oscillations given. Number of oscillations, how many oscillations it is making? 10 oscillations. And how much time it is taking? Time taken is equal to 2 seconds. And what is the distance between compression and rarefaction? See here, compression and rarefaction means between 2 successive compressions it is lambda. Here to here you can call it as lambda. But he has given from here to here, which means he has given lambda by 2. So lambda by 2 is given as 10 centimeters. Therefore, first one after the other we will look at. So the very first thing is wavelength is equal to, wavelength can be calculated as, lambda by 2 is equal to 10 centimeters. Therefore, lambda is equal to 20 centimeters. So this is going to be the wavelength, the first answer. So lambda by 2 is given as 10 centimeters. Therefore, this is going to be 20 centimeter. Lambda is going to be 20 centimeter. Then comes frequency. So what we have, frequency is equal to number of oscillations by time. Therefore, frequency comes out to be, how many oscillations it is making? 10 oscillations. In how much time? 2 seconds. Therefore, it comes out to be 5 hertz. So the second answer is going to be 5 hertz. Then he is also asking wave velocity. Then wave velocity, V is equal to F lambda. Therefore, F we have received as, we have got as 5, and lambda is coming out to be 20 into 10 power minus 2. So it comes out to be 5 into 20, that is 100 into 10 power minus 2. That comes out to be 1 meter per second. So this is going to be the wave velocity of the particle. So this is how the problem can be solved.